Hello, I'm in a 2013 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll pop down, and you should see this release lever will pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing, holds it shut. If there's no tension at all here, double check this cable's attached. If it's not, you'll need to address that. That way up to the front now, and you should see the hood slightly loose now. So here there's a lever, so we're going to push the lever and lift. Push and lift. Fortunately there's this nice hydraulic holding it up. This is what that lever looks like. Double check nothing's bent, broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking a lot, maybe spray some WD-40 to loosen it. And then up here, this is where it was hooked onto. Make sure that's not broken or bent, and double check that your hood's in proper alignment as well, because if this is crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.